Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a payment method on your Godaddy. First, go and log in to your account. Once in, on the top right, click on your name. Then, from the drop-down, go to your account settings. Now, once in, on the left side panel, go to your payment methods. Now, in here, you'll have the option to add one. So just go ahead and click on this Add Payment Method button. Now, you'll just need to add your billing information like your first name, your last name, and of course, your tax ID and such. Then, you can now use that as a backup payment method for your account. By having a payment method saved in your GoDaddy account, you make sure your domains, hosting, and other services never get interrupted. You can add credit or debit cards, PayPal, or even local e-wallets depending on your region. And that's just basically it. That's how you add a payment method to your GoDaddy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.